The evolution of joysticks has progressed from simple levers used in flight simulators to high-tech controllers featuring advanced haptic feedback. 1. The era of classic joysticks 1960s, 1980s. The first devices were purely mechanical levers. Aviation prototypes, used in flight simulators, they featured one axis up-down, or 2. Arcade machines, popular games such as Pong or Asteroids, utilized simple handles. Atari 2600, one of the first mass-market home joysticks. It was a simple monolithic lever with a single button. Control was crude and imprecise. 2. The rise of D-pads and gamepads 1980s, 1990s. With the development of home consoles, the joystick evolved into the gamepad. Nintendo NES, the D-pad directional pad. Revolution. This allowed for high-precision character movement in 2D platformers. Super Nintendo SNES, introduction of additional buttons L, R shoulder buttons, and expanded functionality. Sony PlayStation, the transition to 3D. The introduction of analog sticks DualShock meant players could control not just direction, but also speed and degrees of tilt. 3. The era of ergonomics and vibration 2000s. Controllers began to account for human anatomy and player immersion. Haptic feedback, vibration, force feedback allowed players to feel explosions or impacts. Ergonomic design. Gamepads became more streamlined with comfortable grips box. DualShock 2. 3. Wireless technologies. Elimination of cables via Bluetooth and radio frequencies. 4. Specialization and new mechanics 2010 as present. Devices have branched into highly specialized categories. Adaptive trigger gamepads. E.g. PC5 DualSense. Triggers change their resistance, becoming harder to press when drawing a bow or when a weapon jams. Pro controllers. Additional rear paddles designed for sports athletes. Flight sticks and HOTAs. Complex systems with numerous switches for flight simulator enthusiasts. Controllers. A complete replacement of the joystick with spatial hand tracking in virtual reality. Summary of evolution. 1. Mechanics. From physical levers to advanced sensors and magnetic induction Hall effect to prevent stick drift. 2. Control. From a single button to dozens of buttons and integrated gyroscopes. 3. Sensation. From simple clicks to deep tactile imitation of the physical world.